guys, we're doing this way because I don't have a tripod. I packed up my tripod. I thought we were going to be moving sooner than this. I will probably break it out because I have stuff to do. So if you were to go to my channel, you would find that the video that I did day before yesterday about the LMD and Fuller Fanatic dust up, I hid it as private because not because of anything I've seen. I do know that the Fuller Fanatic put up another video. It's 100% because I had, and I'm pulling it up right now, I had someone comment on something and it brought things back into perspective for me. And it wasn't anything I saw. I didn't go and, I'm trying to mute this so that we don't see it. I'm trying to go to my community tab. Someone made a comment and it put things back in perspective. And it was about the video, and it was about the whole thing. And what I realized was that I do have a tendency, to be really loyal to my friends, and I do have a tendency to jump the gun. So there was a guy named Timothy Becker. Timothy Becker posted something, and it brought things back in perspective, and I apologized to him. And I also sent an email to the Fuller Fanatic, letting him know that, like, hey, I took the video and put it private. I'm going to wait for everything to come out, because what I did was I jumped to a judgment without any evidence. I really did. And I am not the kind of person that will shy away from any indiscretions I've made. I jumped the gun. I judged without any information except for that which I got from Liang Ma. And it's because I like Liang Ma and he's a friend of mine. I don't know the Fuller Fanatic. So what I'm doing right now is, this isn't a public, like, oh, I screwed up. I don't know what the facts are. And I rushed to judgment based on one side, which is something we all, especially today, need to do. There's a lot of things that are going on. People are being judged unfairly, and I don't want to be part of the problem. So what I did was I took the video down. I sent the Fuller Fanatic an email. Didn't even realize he had mentioned me in a video until after I had sent the after I took the video down. So guys, I apologize if I jumped to judgment. I'm kind of famous for jumping to a judgment, but I am one of those guys. I'll eat my hat if I'm wrong. So I'm just not going to take a stance at all until everything comes out. So apologize to Liang Ma. I apologize to Fuller Fanatic. I apologize to all you guys for jumping to a judgment without actually having any facts, really, to tell you the truth. And the fact is, in the big scope of things, it doesn't affect me at all. It doesn't. It really doesn't. So I have a tendency to be very protective of people that I consider friends or that I like. So apologize to everyone up front. So there you go. If it turns out that I was wrong, I will definitely make a public apology to the Fuller Fanatic. And if it turns out that I was right, I'll put the video back up. So, that's just where we're at on it. So my bad, guys. I forgot. The tenet what I teach my daughter is everyone is innocent until proven guilty. So I guess we'll just wait until all the evidence hits the streets. Guys, I love you all. Leon, Tim Becker, Fuller Fanatic, I apologize to all you guys because I feel as though I put everyone in a bad position just because I jumped to a judgment. And it took one of you guys, one of my subscribers, to go ahead and point that out to me. So thanks, Tim. Thanks, Tim Becker. You're on my list of guys that I appreciate. Thanks.